Dear friends, today we can start a new chapter of test of listening, syllogisms. Very important chapter. Always you are getting 5 questions, approximately 5 questions based on this chapter. All the exams you are getting this same. All the exams, not only bank, all the exams, all the competitive exams, you are getting this particular syllogisms type. The entire question we can classify into 3. Usual pattern, usual type. Then after some special type. Another one latest some other type, but exactly the possibility type. All cats being dogs is a possibility. That way a different type that at present usually we are observing. All the 3 types we have to clearly that you have to get a clear idea from the base. If you are having a basic idea, everything we can do it. Therefore, initially, very clearly, that very sharply, you have to identify the basic idea. For everything, for all these sections, very simply I can present that initially some difficulty that for getting the basic idea. If you are getting the basic idea, you can cover the entire type, any difficult type, above average type, no doubt. Therefore, you have to observe initially for getting the basic idea. If you are having the basic idea, it is very easy to expand anything at any level, no problem. Okay, here that we can start from the basic level. Usually the entire statements we can divide into 2. One is universal and another one is particular. Universal statements and particular statements. Basically the entire statements we can divide into 2. First one, universal statements. Second one, particular statements. Then universal we can divide into 2. Universal positive and universal negative. Particular also can divide into 2. Particular positive and particular negative. By universal positive, universal negative, particular positive, particular negative. Then we have to identify what exactly that universal positive, what exactly the symptom of universal negative, particular positive, particular negative. Basically the entire statements we can divide into 2, universal and particular. Universal positive, universal negative, particular positive and particular negative. We can identify for getting the identity. We can classify, like we can call these type of statements as A type statements, this as E type statement, this as I type, this as O type. A, E, I, O. The vowels, the name of vowels, the same order we can, for getting a clarity and getting a very simple method of learning, that A, E, I, O. When you are getting A, E, I, O, first one definitely will be universal positive, second one universal negative, third one particular positive, last one particular negative. This is all first alternative. A and I are positive, E and O are negative. A and I are positive, E and O are negative. Okay, then we can identify how that A type statement, what exactly A type statement, how we can identify an A type statement, how we can identify an E type statement, how an I type, how an O type, that we can show you. What exactly the identity of an A type statement? Usually it begins with all. All cats are dogs. All cats are dogs. The entire are included, fully included. It is a positive statement. Then usually it begins with all. A type statement usually begins with all. Therefore, this is the identity of an A type statement and it should be a positive statement. All cats are dogs. And what exactly E type? It begins with no. It begins with no. No cats are dogs. No cats are dogs. All cats are dogs. Just opposite. No cats are dogs. Fully included, fully excluded. Entire are included, entire are excluded. All cats are dogs, no cats or dogs. Here the identity is no. Here the identity is no. For all is the first A-type identity and no is the E-type identity. All cats are dogs, no cats are dogs. Then what exactly? I-type. Some cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs. Partly included. Some cats are dogs means partly included. Some. It is a positive statement. Actually, I already told you that A-type and I-type are positive statements. A-type and I-type are positive statements. This one, some cats are dogs. What exactly? O-type. Some not. Some cats are not dogs. Some cats are not dogs. Here that some not is the identity, some not. Here that in particular statement some is the identity, here that some not is the identity. All cats are dogs, no cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs, some cats are not dogs. Fully included, fully excluded. Partly included, partly excluded. Okay, it's very simply we can identify an A-type, E-type, I-type and O-type. When you are getting a statement, you are finding a statement, first you have to identify it comes in which category, A-type or E-type or I-type or O-type. And some special type also there, you can, and now that you can eliminate all those type, after covering all the base, then I can tell you what exactly the difference between the special type, what advantage you have to take from the different type of this special type of this one. Preliminary, that base that you have to know that. Okay.